I do a POV vlog on a Z06. Holy shit. Just did a vlog on this last week, now I'm this. Just got done driving the Z06. But I do a POV vlog on a Z06, 7-speed manual. What's up, bro? Good. Chilling, man. Oh, they playing with... Oh, shit. I wasn't expecting that just now.
You can feel how it wants to grab.
It does, like, immediately.
Yeah, no, it wastes no time.
This thing's fun already. I ain't even doing anything yet.
I know.
Wow. Holy shit.
Oh, shit. Like,
I know you don't. I already know, which is gonna make the video better.
Oh my god. This is like my friend's supercharged Mustang. How long are you trying to drive this joint for?
As long as you let me. Oh my goodness, bro. It just wants to go.
I know.
Like, it's like, bro, why are you driving me like a peasant right now?
Now I know why my girl does.
That's a good fucking reaction there, bro. I like that.
Oh my god.
I ain't even crack 100. That's hilarious, bro.
Bro, this shit is crazy. I'm so busy driving this shit.
I know.
Being so desensitized.
You get so used to the power. Oh my goodness, bro.
It wastes no time, bro.
It does waste no time. It's ready to eat.
Woo. Damn, I appreciate you being a real one and not like just thrashing this joint.
It's already appreciative enough that you're letting me do this.
I never touch 7. Like maybe if I'm on the highway, like high as shit.
You know what I was doing too? Is I feel like I'm in the G, as laughable as that sounds.
No, not at all.
But that's where 5th is, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. You know what I mean? Easy as fuck. Oh my god. It's cool how if you're in traffic, like bumper to bumper.
You could just stay in first.
Yeah, I mean, there's no reason for you to go to second. Whew.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, dude, that's fucking absurd.
Kind of crazy, bro.
Oh my god.
And this stock exhaust, or you have exhaust?
Oh, it's stopped.
That's amazing.
Which is absurd, right? Yeah.
It is fucking great. Traction light flashing in this motherfucker, bro.
It hooks, it hooks. Man. This car is something else, man.
It is.
Sitting as a passenger.
It's no joke, isn't it?
Yo, I'm not used to this shit.
That was a good pull right there.
It's like a workout or something, dog. Holy shit.
Oh shit! You talk about a piece of fucking machinery right here.
Yeah.
What a car, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, auto rev match is so handy right now. That's crazy. I looked down, it went from 95 to 108 like that. That's crazy. 108 kilometers, by the way. It does, and I'm
all-wheel drive.
and I'm barely trying.
Yeah.
At least you got a clear shot. It's always a hit or miss. You either get a clear shot of an open road right here, or a Nissan Frontier. Bro, this car is great.
I love this thing, bro.
Bro, I don't blame you.
It's so scary being a passenger, though. You said it's only 2 miles?
Yeah. Oh, not even. The exit's even closer. But like, you'll see where we're at once we get there. Bro, bro, one of the best cars I've driven in a long time. Bro, I don't even know what to say. He's about to launch it and shit. That's just nuts, bro.
I believe it.
It's such a good car. What a car.
As long as you don't do any, like, as long as you don't go crazy on launching the bitch, I'll be happy.
Nah, you're good. I won't.
Holy shit, that guy's a retard.
I am gonna tunnel blast though. What a car. Oh.
Holy shit. You fucking idiot.
Fucking people, bro.
Yeah.
I told you I got it.
Oh, yeah. So, I already, like, any sane driver.
Fucking dipshit, bro. Like, it's like he did it on purpose.
Yeah.
Because then he went straight again. It's like,
People do that, dude. I've had people do that to me before, bro.
It's like, what are you doing? Alright, we out. It's like no fucking effort with this car.
I know.
Like I'm not doing nothing. Like I'm being so generous with like the car got way more in it. This can't be stock exhaust.
No, it's not. It's the pulley, the intake, or the pulley.
Oh yeah. got you. I'm done. I'm done.
It handles it well though.
It does.
Yeah. Woo. Oh my God.
Bro, and it handles like a dream.
I got the front struts put in recently, and I know the rears are starting to leak a little bit, but I mean, it's like infinity pricing when it comes to suspension and struts.
Yeah, I know.
I was terrified. I know you got it, but like, holy shit.
I know.
That was some nut shit.
It does. I can only imagine. Bro, this shit hooked in first.
Yeah,
Yo, this car is fucking, shout out to Chevy, bro.
Here we go.
Just straight down.
Oh my God. How it gets it, man.
It does.
But yeah, you want me to put the top off?
If you want to right now.
Okay. We had enough top on tomfoolery.
Oh yeah, we did, yeah. Now, just did a vlog on this last week, now I'm this. Holy fuck. The generation of cars during these two fucking eras is amazing. Remember, this car came out in 2015. Let's finish this off.
Let's go.
Huh, that's convenient. No, they don't. I am going slow. This car is not like going slow. Yeah, I did. Just got done driving the Z06. We even took the top off for the last few clips. Just got some fuel. Man, this thing is a badass car. First time ever driving a Corvette. And I got the chance to drive a Z06 C7. Come on now. Like, that's crazy. This thing's beautiful.